Public participation is word-based. It is not administratively based on the national government. It is an election-generated mechanism that allows people as constituted in the elective positions, elective places, they make decisions based on the words. By identification of them being voters in that ward, being beneficiaries of government services from the county government of Embu, of Meru, to those wards. There is no national member of parliament here who represents a constituency. And that is why we are saying we needed to have that report and tell it that it is not proper. The public participation, if ever it was done on a wrong path, on a wrong locality. Lastly, on a question of law still, who was the public participation targeting? Look at the summons. The summons are in regard to a person called Notice of Motion for the Removal of the Governor Meru County, Honorable Bishop KAWIRAS Faith Mwangaza. Who is that person? When my brother stands and gives you the documents of the true name of your governor, you were present. You were present when she was being sworn in by the judiciary. There was nobody sworn in by the judiciary called Bishop KAWIRAS Faith Mwangaza. We have the judiciary certificate here. It is public knowledge. You have the deed poll that was sworn way back in 2012. Change of names. Public participation was done for a stranger. My full names are DANSTAN, OMARI, Mugaka. If you do public participation for Evans, OMARI, DANSTAN, that is not the governor. Are we properly here with the right person being the subject of this investigation? Those are 4 critical legal questions that I have very firm instructions to seek a ruling from the Speaker, whether technically and legally we are properly constituted and ready to do business of the removal and defending the removal or defense of a stranger. Honestly, we cannot impeach a stranger called Frida. We can't. That Frida has never taken an oath of office as the governor of Meru. That public participation was targeting a stranger, total stranger. And that is why the standing orders cannot allow me to sit there. I'm a stranger. You have reserved fees for strangers. How do you discuss a stranger? Those 4 points, I'll allow Mutuma to reinforce them. On those issues of law only, Mwenda can produce the documents so that the Speaker gives a ruling. You have a good case. You have a good case. A fantastic case. A fantastic case. But procedures and the rule of law cannot, shall not, will not be bent under my watch. I will not. And I've given those 4 points to show that the safeguards, the midwife of every legal process is the law and the law of procedure. Otherwise, if we do not follow procedure, then we will not be. You know, Mr. Speaker sir has even told me that I can come and contest to be a member of parliament or an MCA from here because my blood is here. If I'm coming to contest in 27, let me contest when we have upheld the law.
Omari, please give Omari a bottle of water.
A bottle of water. Yes. Thank you. I've done tremendous work. It's only that they cannot clap for me because they are my friends, all of them. We are even taking photos. I have nothing personal. But the governor should go home pursuant to the laws of the Republic of Kenya. Not any shortcut. For now, let us deal with the question of the process. Mwenda, you know you are a son of this area. Go slow.
Yeah, thank you, Omari. Mwenda, you can proceed.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I'm Mwenda Kenywa, and I'll proceed from where our senior OMARI has just ended. What we are saying is this is a very emotive motion, but the issue is on the timing. We have cases, as senior said, which are already in court of law. And this leads us to sub judice, as he has been mentioning. And you ask yourself, why this time, when we have few days to the determination of such matters? Some matters are even before state organs like